Improve your English.
The vocabulary of the story.
Prized possession. Something of great value to someone. Prized possession. Vintage. Old and of high quality. Vintage. Inherited. Received from someone who has died. Inherited. Cherished. Valued highly. Cherished. Roars to life. Starts up with a loud engine sound. Roars to life. Champ. An impressive person or thing. Champ. Sank. Went down, sank. Impound lot. A place where vehicles that have been seized or towed away are kept. Impound lot. Restored. Repaired and returned to its original condition. Restored.
Good, now listen to the story.
My car. My car is my most prized possession. It's a vintage 1965 Mustang that I inherited from my grandfather. I remember him telling me stories about how he used to drive this car on long road trips across the country with my grandmother by his side. He cherished it so much that he never let anyone else drive it except for my grandmother, and now me. The Mustang may not be the most practical car for everyday use, but I enjoy taking it out on weekends to cruise around town. The engine roars to life when I turn the key, and I can feel the power of the car as I hit the gas pedal. The sound of the engine is music to my ears. One day, I decided to take my car on a road trip just like my grandfather did. I packed a small bag and hit the open road. The wind was in my hair and the sun was shining on my face. The Mustang was handling the open road like a champ. I stopped at different towns and cities along the way, exploring new places and meeting new people. As the sun began to set, I found a small motel to spend the night. I parked my car in front of my room and went inside to get some rest. When I woke up the next morning, I found that my car had been stolen. I couldn't believe it. My heart sank as I realized that my most prized possession was gone. I immediately called the police and reported the theft. They told me that they would do everything they could to find it, but I knew that it was unlikely. I felt lost without my car. It was more than just a vehicle to me. It was a piece of my family history. Months went by and I had given up hope of ever seeing my car again. One day I got a call from the police department. They had found my car. I couldn't believe it. I rushed to the impound lot to see it. It had some scratches and dents, but it was still my car. I had it towed to a mechanic and had it restored to its former glory. Now I take even better care of it and never leave it unattended. My grandfather's legacy lives on through this car, and I'm grateful for the memories it has given me.
Good, now answer the questions.
What is an impound lot? What is a synonym for highly valued? What does restored mean in the story?